This is high carbon steel wire object in 3 dimensions, which I've made from 3 springs. Fourth spring connects these 3 springs in this spherical object, inside which you can see smaller sphere formed by 3 bigger springs. This object has particular properties and it can be used in diverse fields of technology. It's a small object of art. As you can see, it's a very sympathetic object. It was not easy to make it, all by hands. Steel wire. It's very interesting. Sphere inside sphere. Very sympathetic. Object of art made from wire springs. It can be used even in anti-seismic architecture as amortizer of earthquake waves. Thank you.